This quick honest review is of the Command Satin Nickel soap dish. Let me show you. Here's an excellent soap dish from Command. It's a satin nickel finish. It's basically used on any smooth surface if you need to set up a soap dish. Obviously, specifically maybe in bathrooms, but also possibly in kitchens as well. This particular one, I'm just going to zero in on the packaging, holds up to 2 pounds. It's 900 grams. What I really like about the Command is you don't need to use any drills or screws or anything like that. It's got these 3M brand, very strong double-sided, basically sticking tape that's used to secure to the walls. I've used the same ones with other Command brand products, and they stick like crazy. It's really good. But the other good thing is that they come off very easily. So if you want to remove this from the wall, you can do so. It's a super easy process. I'm going to just put up the instructions here. So it gives you all the instructions on how to set it up. It's obviously on the back of the packaging, and how to remove it as well. Very easy. So setting up took maybe about 3 minutes or so. Just got to make sure the surface is clean, and then you can set it up. When you stick it on the first time and you put the pressure on, don't put anything on there they recommend for about 24 hours, just to make sure that the adhesive and everything on the back sticks very well. But overall, very quick to do, as it took maybe about 3 minutes or so, and it looks great. It's really a nice looking soap dish. For sizing, I've got an old iPhone 8 Plus. So I'm just going to put this here so you can just get an idea of sizing. So it's a nice size, this as well. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's a great little soap dish, this. I'm just going to put some soap on there. You can see as well actually how it looks. So anyway, price point, very inexpensive. I got these on Amazon for around about $11–12. So very affordable price point, and very well made. Just as finish is good, solid product, and it sticks very well. So highly recommend this product. This is the Command Satin Nickel soap dish, and good price point, so highly recommended. And thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.